So for Chief Justice Gertrude Tokonu and Nea Minewo Kasedi, ne hunsem aba betoya punosua, and sema ebani nina etremu se, mami wopeni bia nedi Steven Kwakwasaren. Watintim krata so ede akwakwa magana mampeni se mami aye niema bako mienu bia etiamra entie wosene dibre okra duemu hanom se Chief Justice no ye pe baabi ma no na se ye yini free ho kra de nipa foforo ebe hye honom na no na raise a lot of conversation Ghana kro duemu hanom se ye nya sem ketwa ne nyina na ebi no twe se at this point Ekufuado wobe esake mami we free ne officer na because baby ayedru there we have barely like 2 weeks to hand over government to John Dramani Mahama. Now Ushe and Sema Eba Nebimu said this is impossible for Mampenina na Dankwa Ekufuado to do. Nti ebeya John Dramani Mahama ba one of the nyemani bia waboboso obeye no onfa the sacking of ye mame Gertrude Tokonu enka ho because Ekufuado pa de at this point enya de asebe wobeje brekra na wahwe sakrata ni mu mame de free honom ma menko nana honom nana this is what is coming up. Her lady Chief Justice Gertrude Tokonu yetwemu se mame yenyi ni free because why nema bia etia emra. Do you think that at this point Ekufuado can actually sack this woman from office?
At this point, the SNL is virtually going to be impossible because of the circumstance in womb. And if anything, I think the NDC administration would like to take that particular situation up. But then we also need to look at it from different angles. In some papa no petition womb. Very soon be putting something on the screens detailing why this particular US based attorney also a ghananews or lawyer no and a legal practitioner or the same way to basically he called and said with immediate effect if it will be possible Lanka we should drop them. Now it's not just that there are lots of people who are NDC for be pushy. I think the first person on the list they pushing the removal EC chair Jemensa and the Sakeda I personally think it will have been one of the greatest and the good thing because of the way she seems so ineffective but then everything is a process. You can't just go and sack a person like that. At least you need reasons to do those kind of things. What you say, you can't just get up, hey, and I'm sack it, so you need reasons, you need tangible reasons. That is why I say, Salot or say.
Yeah.
The New Patriotic Party. Let's be honest, New Patriotic Party, they are very good in book and also using book to take you on. Unlike NDC for it's more of Takashino. MPP for will come with you with law, book, any other. At the end of the day, no election there or the book never bro. So let's put this on the screens. Osha was the President Akufo-Addo petition to dismiss Chief Justice. Okay, now I want you to read the last part Emma Mena Yentuaso.
Okay, so I said he expects the president to follow through with the various constitutional provisions governing the process. This petition, which sources says was filed on 16th December 2024, comes barely a month to the end of President Ekufuado's tenure of office. This appeal, according to sources, was submitted on December 16, 2024, only 1 month before President Ekufuado's term ends. Also, under Ghana's constitution, petition for removal of justice of the Superior Court are provided for in Article 146 of the Constitution. He's asking, say, when you takashi, to say, nanekano, when you giddy, but yemfa emrano, and to whom, na yemfen yi mameno, infin free bro, and a befa through a process. Na unim sa then befa through process, and I deba 16th December. How is the Ekufuado going to do that? Is he a magician? No, not just said that is what people were talking about. In the raising concern because when you say, "Oh, sorry, to prumuna, no, I can say, "Mama, no, ye free ho," but rather it has to go through a process. It was say, "Ye chimukrana, o de bekwa koma Ekufuado, o de mama penny Ekufuado it was on so ekosiki, the council, the idea, and I said the opinions of the Council of States and sana the copy more courts. Council of States, we need 2 other judges omo ebeka ho saa 2 judges ne ebeka ho a ena omo betimi proceed with this whole sack or whatever of mami. And you know, looking at it, no, not just say from all indication, no, what is being needed to be done, no, say ebefa through the right channel, which is Ekodru Akufo-Addo. President Akufo-Addo alone doesn't have the say. And until now, could do the point where we are saying, say, at this point, it's too late for Mampani Akufo-Addo to handle this particular issue. Ebia say Eko ne Kodru Mahama Nima, the president-elector. That one will go through a particular process. Sebe, bedru sa pen so no. Ni asway ni in. He has more time. He has ample timer. Obe going through the right process. Say yemfa friend say yemfa nko Council of State enim. Council of State soon decide. Yenya 2 other judges and free court. Na omuso metina so na yen find the right process na yen find. So basically it won't be an easy one. And when I say at this point there it's too late for President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo to handle it. Then the president-elect John Dramani Mahama, after January 7th, he has about 4 years or 3 years and some months to deal with this whole issue. Yeah.
Now, shut down now. The petition and we are learning is a DN the friend your friend is America-based professor, professor, and as a legal practitioner, Stephen Kukwas, as you are saying, and then he is citing the reason why he wants the Chief Justice to be removed because of gross incompetence and also misbehavior. But then you are supposed to give instances. For example, you know, if they are sacking me, you can't just say I sack you. That if you sack me like that, I can go to court and I can seek if an order for damage. You say, okay, my buyer sack me for no reason. You don't sack like, even if at the point in time you are closing down the businesses and you can't pay the people you are working with. No, I'm just giving an example. You need to let them know, say the business has turned south. It's not going onward. That is why I'm closing it down. It's good. Actually, I know some my explanation, but in this case, you see a trade will be no explanation, nothing. Do you get what? It's an insult, and at the end of the day, it's going to cause pain to individuals. Do you get what I'm saying? So based on all of this aforementioned, the man this particular professor cited say at the end of the day, this woman has been cited for misbehavior. What is the misbehavior? What is the misconduct? You need to cite it. ABR in the upcoming deposition, but then he needs to cite it. Chief Justice Chief Justice say. But they're sorry and now pray. I remember I said this particular Chief Justice, she's one of the first female to be appointed. And even aside from that, she's one of the first female from voter region and a votarians to be appointed. So you can't just go there and for your own personal preferences, you know. You say this for better, sorry, sack this, sack that, sack that, sack that. And yesterday you were making a very nice you were asking a very smart question. You say, yen saki, no. Where are they even going to get the men? Because you can't the men now. We don't know the men. Is it Basintele? Is it your friend is Sami Jemfi, Sam George, Okujo Trablaka? Where are the men? The men are not there. In Skakrana Kana, you use by partisans to actually work with them. No, Mesakiwe. You can't sack every person. So Mahama should be careful. You see, there will be you can sack every person though. He has a right to sack IGP, but it's no. If you are sacking, who are you bringing a bit my competent? And remember, I said they are going to judge your current picks against their predecessors. IGP way, yes, see on connect for bar. You better IGP and Ghana for we are so much quick to call me dada. Yet to chrome her. Oh, IGP down parody and kawa coaching. Oh, I miss the days of IGP. Nipe ya bono. Yes, send ne konwa homa onya. Yes, or ye demon ya no. Just give him small time. And IGP down parody and media for yes, you can be. So I think the way forward, we should just allow this particular woman to do her job. And personally, we need reasons. You get what I'm saying? You can't just get up and bui. You need basic reasons. At the end of the day, and you can actually undertake these kind of things. Yeah. Well,
for natural say, according to Nanane, the reason stated by Professor Stephen, is not much solid. Into one for solid reasons, and na yenyi mama ni free. Hoye be ma mo update ewo in same way eho.